chapter 3. Exercise 3.6. Now question number 1, part first. Equations are 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2, and other equation is 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Here we see that the variable is in denominator, so we need to suppose it. So let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Here we have supposed a and b. You can suppose other variables also, like p and q, or any other variable l, m, but it is suitable. You must suppose other than x and y. You cannot suppose like 1 upon x is equal to x and 1 upon y is equal to y. That is not correct. So you need to suppose some other variable. Okay. So now equations become, the first equation becomes a upon 2 plus b upon 3 is equal to 2. Now some of the students, they get confused that how it becomes a upon 2, it must be 2a. So here you see in rough you can see 1 upon 2x can be written 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x. So 1 upon 2, 1 upon x is what? 1 upon x is a. So we write a. So a into 1 is what? A, and this is 2. So a upon 2. So this is not 2a, this is a upon 2. And same in other one, 1 upon 3y is equal to 1 upon 3 into 1 upon y. That is 1 upon 3 into b, and that is b upon 3. So this way we get these things. Anyway, now we take LCM. LCM is 6. So 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So 3a plus 6 divided by 3, 2. So 2b is equal to 2. Now this 6 will be cross multiplied with 2. So equation becomes 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. So this is our first equation. And similarly, the second equation is this 1 upon 3x becomes a upon 3, and this 1 upon 2y becomes b upon 2, and this is equal to 13 by 6. Again we need to take LCM. So LCM is 6. 6 divided by 3, 2. So it is 2a. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So it is 3b is equal to 13 upon 6. Now this 6 can get cancelled with 6 either directly, or you can take this 6 on right hand side in cross multiplication and then cancel. So you can cancel here also. Now our equation is 2a plus 3b is equal to 13, number 2. These equations are normal equations as we were solving in previous exercises. So now we'll solve it by elimination method. You can use any method, but here I am explaining elimination method. For elimination method, we need to multiply multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. Here you see the equation number is encircled to differentiate. So remember it, you need to write like that. Okay. Now equation 1 multiplied by 2. This is equation 1. Multiply by 2. 3 2 ja 6a and 2 2 ja 4b and 12 2 ja 24. This is our equation number 3. And this equation number 2 is multiplied with 3. So we get 6a plus 9b is equal to 39. This is number 4. So this way we have made the coefficient of a are equal. So we see that both the coefficients of a has same sign. So the same sign, whenever we get same sign and the coefficients are equal, we subtract the equation. So here we subtracting equation 3 from equation 4. So when we subtract, the number which is coming after from must be written first. So this way you write equation number 4 first and under it equation number 3. Then since we are subtracting, so we need to change the sign. So this plus sign change in minus and again the plus sign change in minus and the third sign also change as minus. Now this 6a gets cancelled with 6a and here we get 5b is equal to, here 9 minus 4 is 5 and 3 minus 2 is 1, so that is 15. So value of b is 15 upon 5 and when we cancel it we get b is equal to 3. So now we will put this value, putting the value of b in equation 3 or 4, or you can put in 1 or 2. So we'll put in equation 1. So here equation 1, putting the value of b in equation 1. So what we get, 3a plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12. So what it gives, 3a plus 6 is equal to 12. Then 3a is equal to 12 minus 6 and 3a is equal to 6. Now a is equal to what? A is equal to 6 upon 3 gets cancelled and we get a is equal to 2. Now we got value of a is 2 and value of b is 3. We still did not get the answer. We need to find the values of x and y. For that we will put these values of a and b in supposition. So putting the values of a and b in supposition. So what was supposition? Supposition was 1 upon x is equal to a. And what is a? Value of a is 2. So by reciprocating both sides, we get x equal to 1 upon 2. And other supposition was 1 upon y is equal to b. And value of b is 3. So y is equal to 1 upon 3 by reciprocating both sides. So here we get value of x as 1 upon 2 and value of y as 1 upon 3. So we got the solution. Thank you for watching the video.